Richelle, and we have two special guests. My cat, hello, and my dad. And today we're going to be doing a challenge that includes a blindfolded challenge with my cat. He's going to be joining us for the whole entire video, maybe. And I'm going to be blindfolded, and my dad's going to pick out an animal. And no matter which one I guess, I'm going to be blindfolded, and I'm going to have to guess what animal is on the paper. So let's just get started. So I got my monkey mask again. Okay, it's going to be hard. Because I have a hairband in my hair. Okay, pick out an animal in the jar. Where is it? Okay. Is it a monkey? Is it?
Yes.
Yay! So it's a monkey. Monkey. Okay, next round. A cat. Yay! Okay, here you go, Trigger. It's a cat. My sister calls him Tom. So I'm used to doing that. Okay. A dog? I couldn't even see Daddy.
Woof, woof.
Come after the dog. Dog. Wait, because I couldn't see it. There you go. Okay, blindfolded. Two more. Elephant.
Yay!
My sister put elephant, but that's okay. Elephant. Elephant. Okay, one more. I don't know what it is. I'm probably gonna get this one wrong. Oh, I can see kind of a little bit. Okay. I have no idea. A pig.
Yay!
I got them all right! So it was a pig. Okay, it was a pig. Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed our challenge, our really quick challenge, which was a skit weed challenge. So I want you to comment down below what you think of this video and our cat being in this video. See? It's his face. Oh, he's gonna go now. Bye!